Lit. Look at all these stickers. I love stickers. Look, I got another one too. I don't know if I'm gonna put this one on my truck.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we
I was trying to bite my freaking ears and stuff. Ow! Ow! Look at it. He's trying to bite me. Ow! Ow! Look! Ow! I hope mom watches this. Ow! You're a devil dog. Hey guys, welcome to my video. Yeah. Okay. Oh, okay, I'll stop flexing. Allergies. Lit. Look at all these stickers. I love stickers. Look, I got another one too. I don't know if I'm gonna put this one on my truck or not. I don't know. We'll see. This is one of those long ones. Hell no. I don't even know if I would put that on my truck. I already got like way too many stickers. I got the Guanajuato. I got the Midnight Kids. I got the bad bitch right there. You already know. I got the King on the back because that's my last name. Let's go, boys. You got the my school, bro. you got the hella broke, and then the poop sticker, and then the Joker sticker. There's a lift kit on the ground, sitting, waiting. Ooh, you got, oh God, I broke my ankle. Oh shit. Okay, you got the Eliminate sticker. And then my mom bought me a sticker. What?
How did you say you went to work today?
I did. I just got off.
So you work 6 to 10?
Yeah.
Oh shit.
And like, you got those brakes for us, man? You still hear them? Hey, baby. If you want, yeah, if you want to get on your knees, you're good. I should have brought something more comfy.
No.
There ain't a lot of space over here either. You guys should back it up a little bit.
Can you?
Yeah, well. Yeah. That's all. I hope that I haven't said anything else. I know. Stop it! No! Okay, so Jaden here is gonna explain what we just did.
For real? Hell no.
He said, what did we do? Explain to him. So you used a what? What did you use? A fucking...
I don't know where you put it.
A 15. A rusted ass 15. On the top of this right here. I don't even know what that thing is called. The shock. At the top of the shock, you unscrewed this thing right here. This fatty right here. Boom. We had to use biceps because this shit moves the whole thing when we try to unscrew it because it was so rusted. I mean, we used that one stuff. This stuff like 100 times. Didn't work. Shout out to him.
Right.
Jaden was crying over here. He looked like he was.
Yeah, alright.
He said he misses his dad. So. Okay, anyways, we just clamped that right there. Boom, and then we hit it hard. That's what she said. The truck's gonna look like after I lift the front. Damn, that looks sassy, bitch. Look, is it about to come out?
Es que luz.
Yeah.
And this one goes in there like this, right? Yeah.
Oh wait, how far does it have to go?
All the way in, so you can see that other line. Remember, you can see the.
Oh yeah, that green spot right there.
Yeah.
Oh damn, I'm a bad cameraman. I'll tell you one, keep going. Match it up. No tape measure needed. One more. I think one more tread. Yup. Wait, no. One more. Yeah. Yep.
No, let me see.
That's the tread.
You're super zoomed in right now. See the lens.